In this video guide, I will show you how to make a wish to speak to a colleague through the Tweelin app for Microsoft Teams. In this tutorial, we have two users, Dario on the left, who uses Microsoft Teams on a computer, while on the right, there is his colleague Kim, who uses Microsoft Teams and the native Tweelin app on an Android phone. First of all, you need to make sure that at least one message has been exchanged between the two users, so that the Tweelin app gets automatically added to the chat. At this point, Dario can proceed to making a wish to talk to Kim by writing @Tweelin, selecting the Tweelin app, then the wish command, and sending. Tweelin will confirm the receipt of the command in the one-to-one channel, while it will send a card via the app channel in which it is possible to specify how long Dario wants to talk to Kim, when, and the topic for the conversation. Once the wish has been sent, Kim will receive a notification that will allow her to accept or reject Dario's request. Once the request has been accepted, Dario and Kim can return to focusing on the activities that matter, while Tweelin analyzes some telemetry data from their devices together with their calendar availability to quickly find the right moment for their conversation. Now let's see what happens when the right moment for a conversation comes. Dario receives a notification that invites him to call Kim. By clicking on Call, Dario activates the Tweelin app, which starts a Teams meeting with a call back to both Dario and Kim. If both answer the call, thus entering the meeting, then the wish will be fulfilled. In the event that Dario has forgotten to say something to Kim, or the wish gets interrupted by a connectivity issue, it is always possible to enter the Tweelin app channel, click on the Wishes tab, open the wish already executed in the Fulfilled section, and reactivate it by clicking on Reactivate Wish. Thank you for your attention.